fraction. And so the way that they do it, they kind of jump a little bit faster than I will do. So if we look at page 45, so far they did a fraction by a whole number, and then they did a whole number by a fraction, and then they start doing a fraction by a fraction. And I usually start with 1/2 of a half, right? Because I think that's one that they can kind of start to see on their own. Multiplying a fraction by a whole number, multiplying a whole number by a fraction. And now we're going to start to multiply a fraction by a fraction. So when we talk about multiplying fractions, we can use the multiplication sign and we can say 1/2 times 1/2, for example. But another way that we say fraction multiplication is 1/2 of 1/2. And that's usually easier to kind of visualize. So if I have 1/2 and I want to find out what 1/2 of 1/2 is, I could cut this into 2 pieces, right? And then one of those pieces would be 1/2 of 1/2. So what is the same? What 2 pieces is the same as 1/2?
2/4.
Yeah, 2/4, right? So we all see that those are the same. So I'm just going to take this away. And if I were to take this half and find half of it, it is 1/4. So that is how we can do that.